yeah, man, here we go. You know, I'm on the GoPro right now. We'll get to the other camera when I get back to the crib, man. I'm just doing my morning workout, man. Today is Sunday, August 4th, I think. Yeah, August 4th, man. So I'm gonna be pretty much, man, taking y'all through my morning routine, man, on a Sunday. Get prepared for the market this week, looking through the pairs, seeing what's going on, and we're gonna take it from there, man. But yeah, I'm just getting my walk on with my vest. I got my weight vest on, and you know, Sunday usually is a day where I just put the weight vest on, go for a walk, do a little you know, body weight exercises, push-ups, squats. I kind of messed my knee up the other day, so we'll see if we can pump out 100 squats today. But yeah, man, that's it. You know, we're gonna get the moving and grooving, get the day started. We just hit 7 o'clock in the morning, maybe a little bit after 7. Yeah, man, let's get to it, man. You know, it's been a while, but I'm glad to be back, and I just want to take y'all, you know, just on a day in the life. Let's get it. I've been on this mission to kind of just kill off the old version of me. I realized, like, in my life, you know, I done had a problem with like consistency and discipline. So like the past, I think I'm on day 20 or something like that, 18, 19, 20 or something like that. Man, I just been waking up every day, just getting to it. You know, I mean, this started like a few months ago, where I just started getting on a regular workout routine, you know, trying to clean my eating up and just become a better version of myself. But I'm on this thing for the next probably 10 more days where it's just all about consistency. It's all about discipline. It's all about eating right, working out every day. I gotta read. I got you know, a list of tasks that I gotta do every single day, and I'll go over it a little bit later in the video. But yeah, man, I just been trying to get at it. You know, life has been crazy the last 2 years since I dropped the last video. The light trash over here. The only thing about these GoPros, like, they don't do that good in low light, but it's all good. We still gonna get through it. But yeah, man, I just been focused on just trying to be the best version of myself for my family, you know, most importantly for myself, and just trying to kill off the old version of me, bury the old version of me. That version ain't gonna take me to the next level. That version ain't gonna get me where I need to go. So I just been really self-aware and really understanding, like, my bad habits, things that I need to get rid of. Sorry about that. Things I need to get rid of, things I need to stop doing, things I need to double down on. And I just been focused, man. I just been really focused, really intentional about what I do every single day, what I feed my mind, what I feed my body, and just focusing on becoming a better version of myself. So yeah, and I think that, you know, discipline, if you're disciplined in one area, it translates over to other areas of your life. So being disciplined in my working out, being disciplined with my fitness and my eating habits, being disciplined with reading every day, being disciplined with meditating every day, you know, of course that translates over to the charts. So I'm disciplined when it comes to my trading style and finding my setups. And you know, I've had a phenomenal run these last few months, just trading my personal account, withdrawing from my personal account. You know, I got a challenge going on right now. I'm almost done with phase 1. We'll get into that later. But yeah, just being the best version of myself all the way around. So yeah, that's what this shit is about. Look at this surf. This is beautiful. Parking lot work today. Sun ain't rocking with me. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, parking lot work today. So man, I walk to this big ass parking lot over here, and I get to it, man. You know, like I say, today's Sunday, so it's an easy day. Just throw the weight vest on. We come out here and do some body weight stuff, and I stretch. You know, I do some yoga and all that today. Today, Sunday, is the preparation day for the week. So I juice, you know what I'm saying? I batch juice on Sundays. You know, clean up, you know what I'm saying? Me and my wife, we clean up and all that. You know, just get the place feeling good, smelling good for the upcoming week, man, so we can be productive. So yeah, you know, I'm just taking y'all through my routine, my preparation for the upcoming trading week. Yeah, let's get to it. You know, this is just, I like the walks, man. I love like getting out in nature. I love getting outside. I don't really like being in the gym. I go through these phases where I don't like being in the gym. I don't like being indoors. I like being outside. You know, usually I'll go to the park if my wife was up, you know what I'm saying? If she was feeling up to it, then we'll go to the park, walk the track. You know, I'll run a little bit, do some body weight stuff. Because I found myself, man, just hurting myself every time I lift weights. So like my form wasn't good, so I just really been focused on that. I've been in the gym like throughout the week, few days out the week, just lifting weights, and I just been taking it easy because I kept injuring myself. But like with body weight stuff, I don't injure myself, so I'm just kind of trying to do a mix of both to kind of build a physique that I want. So yeah, you know, we're gonna walk over here and then we're gonna get to the body weight stuff. All right, so we back at the crib. Usually after my workouts, I will come and, you know, sit on the balcony, and I usually meditate. I'm not meditate, I'm sorry. I would usually read and I journal. You know, I journal for the day, and then this is the book that I'm reading. An amazing book. I think that every black person should read this book. It's an amazing book. thus far, man. So yeah, you know, I'm gonna get my reading on and journal, and then I got a little bit of my watermelon juice. So I'm gonna go take a shower after this, meditate, and get to, you know, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. I'm gonna juice this watermelon for the next few days, and then we're gonna jump into some charts, man. But you know, I want to talk, like, the reason that I wanted to do this day in the life thing is because, you know, I think that, the fuck was that? Oh, damn lamp. But anyway, yeah, I had I wanted to do the day in the life because I wanted to talk about, like, how do you build your confidence back as a trader. And the last time we spoke, which was 2 years ago, a lot happened in that moment, and a lot has happened since then. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, like, I lost my confidence, man. I really did, bro. I went through a spiral, you know what I'm saying? And I want to talk about how I got my confidence back as a trader, and you know what you can do if you in that place where, you know, you lost your confidence, you had a little success, and you know you lost all your money, or you lost the funded accounts, or whatever the case is. You know, whatever you're going through, or you just can't get your confidence back in trading. I'm gonna tell you what I did later on in the video, man, to help y'all, because that's what this is about. You know, I took a hiatus from YouTube because I just needed to get my life together. If you hear if you hear somebody walking around, this my dog, my boy Deuce. But hopefully he don't bump the camera. But anyway, I'm gonna get my reading on. We're gonna talk a little bit later about how to get your confidence back. How I got mine back, and what steps you need to do to get yours back. So yeah, I just got done meditating. We got to clean up and go ahead and get these dishes done. And we juicing today, so we batch juice every Sunday. Me and my wife batch juice. Well, I batch juice every Sunday. She don't be juicing. I'm the one that juice. So we juice every Sunday, just to prepare for the week. You know, I juice a watermelon. That'll probably get us to about Wednesday. And then we, you know, if we got any other fruit, or we want any other juice, we go to the grocery store, get our fruit and all that. But yeah, meditating has really helped calm me down, calm my nerves, especially when it comes to trading, especially being in drawdown and all that stuff, man, because especially when you start to elevate in account size and you trading bigger lot sizes, it helps me a lot. So meditation, me working out, journaling, reading every morning has really been helping me, man. But let's talk about it. Let's talk about, you know, the topic of the day, which is how to get your confidence back. How do you get your confidence back? So for me, if you get a chance, watch. I'll find a video and leave it in the description below. But it's a video by Dr. David Paul, who talked about the exercise that he give all the traders that he trained. And it's called a 30 trade exercise, where you place 30 trades, right? You have your system, you have your edge, and you place the same trade 30 times. And what that's going to do is, anybody that's dealing with hesitation, anybody that's dealing with not being confident in the edge, what it's going to make you do is it's going to make it become automatic. around like the 10th, 12th trade, like it's gonna be automatic. So coming into this year, I told myself that I was going to only trade one style, because the thing that's killed me in the past was just jumping from system to system. So the thing that I told myself at the beginning of the year is I'm only going to trade this one style all year. So I started the year off doing that 30 trade exercise. And man, when I tell you, that just changed everything for me. So now I don't have the habit of, if I have a bad week, I'm automatically looking for another course, or I'm looking to learn something else, or whatever the case is. I don't have that. You know what I'm saying? I understand that with every system, there's losses, there's wins, there's losing streaks, there's winning streaks, and you know that your edge is gonna play out over time. So I'm gonna link, like I said, I'm gonna link the video. I'm gonna find the video and link it in the description below so y'all can check it out. Man, it was from Dr. David Paul, bro. It's amazing, and that actually just changed the way that I look at the market. It's changed my confidence. It like built my confidence back up. So now when I get in front of the market, I know exactly what I'm doing. If there's nothing going on, if my confluences don't line up, man, I'm going to do something else with my day. But we're gonna get to it a little bit later. We're gonna jump in the charts. I need to find my 3 pairs for this week. But right now, man, I gotta clean up. We gotta get the space good. Gotta clean up, gotta juice. And I'll be back. Yeah, so I just got done juicing. Like I said earlier, we batch juice on Sundays. This will probably last us to maybe Wednesday, and then we do it again. But like juicing, man, it's helped me. I've been getting really like deep into just juicing. I just love juicing, man. I love fresh juice. We spent like a year and a half in Kuwait. That's another topic we'll have to talk about. But me and my wife was over there for like a year and a half, and like they just had all these fresh pressed juice everywhere we went. So I just fell in love with fresh pressed juice. So when I got home, we bought a juicer, and I just been juicing ever since. But yeah, it's been helping me a lot. It keeps me full. It keeps me hydrated, and just combining that with me just working out and all the other stuff that I've been doing, I've just been trying to just ramp up my discipline, ramp up my consistency, because that's just been a problem in my life, man. You know what I'm saying? So like my whole goal this year was just to be extremely disciplined, extremely consistent. And I've been doing pretty good lately. I ain't gonna lie. I've been slipping in every once in a while, but I've been doing pretty good for the most part. But it's showing in every other area of my life too. So my trading has been phenomenal. Everything just been cooking, man. So right now we're gonna get on the charts. Show you guys what 3 pairs I'm gonna pick for this week, and see if we can make some money this week. All right, so we are on the screens, man. We on the charts, and these are my 3 pairs for this week. Upcoming week, man, we got our eyes on Euro Great British Pound, Great British Pound USD, and AUD CAD. So let's just break these down a little bit just to show you guys exactly what I'm looking for. I'm gonna just be fully transparent, man. I have purchased a lot of courses in my day. At this point, I've kind of put a lot of stuff together. I pulled the best of the best out of the best things that I learned from each one of these courses, and I kind of put it all together. So I've learned from everybody, man, from Q Banks to Alex G to some people y'all Astro FX, to probably to people y'all never heard of, like Yusef Scott, or the OG Tim and Weller. So I didn't put a lot of things that I've learned into my strategy that I trade today. So I go off of, I'm pretty much a trend trader. I only find pairs that are mostly continuation, from the previous week. I may catch a counter trend every once in a while. It's called a mean reversion setup. I caught one last week on Great British Pound New Zealand Dollar. It was amazing. But this week, I got my eye on Euro Great British Pound. So if we look at Euro Great British Pound, we can see that we had this huge high, right? And then the market pulled back. We made another high, and then structure broke this high here. We shifted bearish. We was bearish the whole time and then we just kept being bearish until we got here until last week. Last week we broke this structure, turned into weekly bullish. So with this real big bullish engulfing, I'm looking for price to pull back probably to this area and then kind of stall a little bit and then continue to the upside. So that's how we looking on a weekly, daily, obviously bullish, and then 4 hour, obviously bullish. So with price overextended from the EMA, I'm looking for price to pull back, hopefully to this area, stall a little bit, and then continue to the upside. So that is what I'm gonna be looking at. And being that price just pushed heavy, I mean, we may get a deeper pullback. You know, price could pull back to here and then continue, or we can get a deeper pullback and price could pull all the way back to this EMA, and then we can continue to the upside. So I'll be monitoring that this week. Great British Pound USD. We're looking to short this thing this week. So we have this huge high, right? Price was pushing up, pulling back, pushed up, and then we just smashed this thing going bearish. Price has not broke above this high or this low. So right now the weekly is still bearish. Right now the daily is a little tricky, right? Price pushed all the way up. We had like this little minor pullback here and then pushed all the way up. We smashed down, breaking this little area of structure. Price pulled back to my resistance level. We wicked out, stayed below the EMA. So I'm looking for a potential move to the downside. This is gonna be a little tricky. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna have to wait until like Monday or Tuesday's daily candle close so I can kind of see what direction we're looking for. Right now, the 4 hour is bearish. You can see that we are making lower lows and lower highs. So right now, price has not closed above this lower high. So right now, the 4 hour is still bearish. But the way that this bullish candle closed on Friday, we may get just a continuation to the upside, breaking this structure, pulling back, and then continuing to go up. So we'll see. You know, this is a tricky pair for this week. This may be my number one pair, so I'm gonna shift this actually to the top. So right now, AUD CAD is bearish. You can see that the market was making high highs, and we shifted bearish. We broke back up, going bullish, and then last week we closed below that, shifting bearish again. So I'm anticipating a pullback and then a continuation to the downside to kind of fill this wick on the weekly chart. Daily, we are bearish. You can see that the market was pushing up. We kind of consolidated for a minute, but the whole time we were making higher lows, and then the market just took off. We smashed all that, ate all that up, came back to retest, pushed all the way down, wicked out, came back, retested it again, and then I'm looking for a continuation. Price is trading below the EMA, so that's a good thing. Weekly's bearish, daily's bearish, 4 hour is bearish. As you can see, price kept pushing down, making these lower lows, lower highs. Boom, smash that. And we are still in this area. So I'm looking for the market to continue to the downside. And we may have like a little weird little flag pattern. You can see price pushed up to the 61.8. 78.6, which lines up to my weekly resistance. My daily resistance. Bearish engulfing closed back below it. So me personally, I'm looking for a retest of this area again, and then a continuation to the downside. So let's see. Yeah, H1 still bearish. We shifted bearish on the 30 minutes. So yeah, everything is kind of bearish on AUD CAD. So this is actually my number one pair for this week. Euro Great British Pound will be my number two. GU will be my number 3. So simple, quick analysis, man. These are my 3 pairs for the week. Let's see how this all plays out. I'll be probably dropping this video on YouTube probably Tuesday or Wednesday. I used to drop everything on Wednesday, so I may drop it on Wednesday, and then we'll see how the market has played out on Friday. So yeah, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Simple little day of the life, man. Me prepping for this week, and that's it, man. All pressure, all precision, all performance. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. I'm sorry that it's taking me so long to get back on YouTube, but we'll go into more detail in another video. But hey, appreciate that, man. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff, man. My Instagram is below in the description. So, give me a follow on Instagram. I'm getting back active on social media, man. So, yeah, man, just give me a follow. If you want to see any other analysis videos or any other videos, I'm gonna keep pumping them out. So we, just expect the content to keep coming out every week, and we back at it. Let's get it.